There is a board meeting tonight, and I thought y'all might want to look at the agenda. You go to the Richland One website, and then you go to school board, and then board docs. This brings up the meeting, which is tonight, and you click on that little calendar, and then you click on view agenda, and here is the agenda. And anytime you see this icon, it means that there is a PDF involved, and it looks like they are doing first and second readings of some policies. I think last time they had like 80 plus policies. I might be wrong on that, but it was a lot. And it looks like they are voting on some more policies. So if you click on that icon, it pulls this up, and then you click on that, and that opens up the policy that they're going to be voting on. So anyway, if y'all are interested in what's happening at the school board meeting, which I think everybody should be if you pay taxes or have kids or whatever, just love Richland District 1 and want the best for it, then here is what is happening tonight.